Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're heading off the beaten path to explore a true legend in the dual sport world, the 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R. Known for its exceptional off-road performance and everyday rideability, the 690 Enduro R has built a reputation among serious adventure riders. For 2026, KTM continues to refine its formula, offering subtle but meaningful updates that push its capability and versatility even further. Let's dive into what's new and why this machine is more thrilling than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R sticks to its aggressive, rally-inspired design language with new graphics and a sharper color scheme that emphasize its ready-to-race heritage. The signature high front fender and slim bodywork remain, designed to give maximum control and comfort when tackling tough trails. A slightly redesigned seat improves long ride comfort without sacrificing the bike's agile stance. KTM's focus on lightweight materials and compact design continues to keep the Enduro R as lean and mean as ever. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 690 Enduro R is KTM's powerful 693 cubic centimeters single-cylinder LC4 engine, which returns with updated ride-by-wire tuning for smoother throttle response and more low-end torque. The engine's punchy power delivery remains a highlight, and it's now even more refined for both off-road bursts and highway stretches. The 6-speed gearbox is paired with a slipper clutch and quick shifter, making for seamless shifts in varied conditions. Revised XPLOR suspension provides enhanced damping for aggressive off-road riding without compromising everyday usability. Safety and technology. KTM continues to blend performance with cutting-edge technology. The 2026 model features updated ride modes and enhanced traction control for better control across surfaces. Cornering ABS remains standard, giving riders confidence on twisty mountain roads or loose gravel. A compact, updated TFT display provides key ride data at a glance, and integrated connectivity allows for navigation and ride tracking through the KTM My Ride app. The LED lighting system ensures visibility in all conditions. Conclusion. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R reinforces its reputation as a top-tier dual-sport machine, delivering an ideal balance between dirt-ready power and on-road comfort. With refined performance, modern tech, and classic KTM aggression, it's built for riders who demand more from every mile. Stick with Gear Grinders for more expert takes and deep dives into the world's most exciting machines.